Newton's second law, example 2. An airplane lands with a velocity of 55 meters per second. So the initial velocity, or u, is 55 meters per second. Reverse thrust from the engines is used to slow it to a velocity of 25 meters per second. So the final velocity, or v, is 25 meters per second in a distance of 240 meters. The 240 meters is the displacement, which is known as s. If the mass of the airplane is 3 times 10 to the power 4 kilogram, this is 30,000 kilogram and it is the mass, or m. What is the size of the reverse thrust supplied by engines? The reverse thrust is the F. Here we will use the rule, which is force equals mass times acceleration. Okay, now look at the question. We have the mass, but we need to find the acceleration in order to calculate the force. The first step is to write the given. And since we want to calculate A, then we are going to write the word so that in front of us. As you can see, the displacement is given, initial velocity is given, final velocity is given, t is not given, and we need to calculate the acceleration. So we need to use one of the 4 equations of motion. We are going to use equation 4, v squared equals u squared plus 2as. We are going to substitute the numbers. V is 25, u is 55, a is unknown, and s is 240. Now, this here is the calculation method. Acceleration is minus 5 meters per second squared. This answer means that every second the airplane slows down 5 meters per second. Now we found the acceleration, so we are able to now find the force. F is m times a. M is 3 times 10 to the power 4 and a is minus 5. Pay attention, this is not 104, it is 10 to the power 4 multiplied by the minus 5, which is the acceleration. Now for the answer, it is minus 1.5 times 10 to the power 5 Newton, or it is 150,000 Newton. You can write it either way. We can change the unit from Newton to kilo Newton. We can do this by dividing 10 to the power 3. So it becomes 150 kilo Newton. There are different ways to write the value, but they all have the same value. This is the reverse force that the airplane needs to slow down 5 meters per second in each second. Now look at this question. Why was the answer obtained from the equations negative? Do you know why?